over the horizon.
Here it is in operation, showing you guys how the light works with gravity and the ball that's inside of it. When you close the lid, obviously the little ball slides one direction and stops the current flow. And then you lift it back up, the ball slides back, and the light is on. So it's a pretty simple design, and you can't go wrong with this one. It's pretty easy and really, really cheap to get a hold of. Alright guys, we're back here with the trunk light project. I've been off of it for quite a while. I've painted the car and had a baby, so it's kind of been on hold. Okay, so what I've done here so far is I've mounted the light, I've ran the harness up and through the skeleton structure of the trunk lid. This is the only spots that it comes out on this passenger side, so all I did was bring it down. I'll probably put a little piece of tape right here somewhere to hold it nice and flat. I put some tape here on the hinge, put some tape over here, right there, put some tape here, which that's not holding very well, so I might have to figure something else out with this part here. And then it goes down inside here, and I have the inline fuse deal there. I have it zip tied to the main harness. I cut and split open the power side terminal what do you call it, a cap, split it open and put the little spade terminal kind of thingy in there. And then I just did the same thing here, and that's the ground wire for the light. And as you can see, it's nice and convenient. It does light up quite a bit. I'll turn the lights off here, close the door. As you can see, it's not too bad. It lights up, 90% of the trunk, and it also lights up, a good portion of out here back behind your car. So if you need to put something together, you can pop the trunk and call it a day. But yeah, this light here, you can actually buy it off of eBay's for like $20 with the pigtail in some spots. If not, then you have to find one and get a pigtail for it or something. I mean, you'll be in at like 25 bucks just for the light. And if you buy big spools of wire, you spend $10 on a couple big spools of wire, and you'll have enough wire for stuff later on too. So technically, I did all this for nothing. I actually snagged this off of a total car at work, and all the wiring stuff I've had from previous jobs where I bought really big spools of wire. I had all the little terminals and stuff for the wire ends. Excuse me. Had all that stuff already. So, and then here's where the cool part is. It turns off when you close the lid, right? On, off, on, off. It's not on inside the car, so cool, huh?